In today's digital era, building customer engagement and loyalty is more critical than ever. You want them to have a reason to come back, to not just click away and never see them again. There's some things you want to do. And the important things to understand and the customer engagement and loyalty scheme of things is in a Google document. If you go to practicaldigitalstrategies.podbean.com, then you're going to find this document, and it talks about several things. And I'm going to go over them real quick. They want you to understand your audience. So if you go in and use the techniques that are available online for free to segment your audience and target people that are looking for what you have, then you're going to be way ahead in terms of engagement and having people come back. The use of the data to inform the strategies, that often works. And I've employed that many times, as you can tell, in that I'm trying to have people come back and get more good information for their online presence. Creating engaging content. There's some tips for high quality content. Relevance is a key. That is to say, give them what they're expecting to see. And if you have shareable content, then do that. Okay? Make it available so they can send it to a friend. And I've done that. If you go into the Google document, you'll see there's a share link right there next to the logo to share it to other people. You're leveraging a social media platforms. Earlier, I've talked about the best social media platform to employ, like Twitter for real-time updates, LinkedIn maybe for professional insights for B2B, and then build a following with real-life examples after that, okay? Once they've adopted your content and they're coming back, give them the expected new thing. The measuring of success is important. You can see in the Google document the key metrics to track, key performance indicators, I think is what they call it, and evaluating campaign effectiveness. If you've got a campaign, you've made a plan on Monday to do a certain thing, call to actions to subscribe to your newsletter perhaps, then measure how many people did that in a given amount of time and which performed better in the A/B testing that you did to sign up. Find out which one, the red one or the blue one, worked the best. Take a look at this. Do some case study examples that are in the Google document from Amazon, from Starbucks, from Sephora, on the lessons that they've given and provided you with. So in conclusion, customer engagement and loyalty are crucial. Okay? And that being said, we're done. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content and let us know in the comments below your own related experiences. It's a wrap.